Welcome back to my channel Features of World. Benefits of Yoga. 1. Physical strength, flexibility and balance. Yoga postures, asanas, gently build muscle and enhance flexibility and stability, helping with posture and reducing injury risk. Helps older adults maintain functional mobility and reduce fall risk. 2. Back, neck and chronic pain relief. Effective against chronic low back pain and neck pain, many guidelines recommend yoga as first-line therapy. Also eases arthritis discomfort modestly. 3. Cardiovascular health. Regular practice can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve lipid profiles. Specific poses like Tadasana, Vrikshasana, Utkatasana, Sarvangasana support heart health. 4. Stress, anxiety, and mood management. Combines asanas, breathwork, and meditation to reduce cortisol, boost mood, and ease generalized anxiety and depression. Interventions like hatha, pranayama are effective in PTSD, anxiety, and mild to moderate depression. 5. Improved sleep and energy. Bedtime routines with gentle poses, example, legs up the wall, savasana, aid in falling asleep and staying asleep. Regular practice enhances alertness, vitality, and overall mood. 6. Mindfulness and can adapt poses. 5. Consult professionals. If you have specific conditions, example heart issues, pregnancy, check with a healthcare provider or teacher. Yoga offers a scientifically backed array of physical, mental, and cellular level benefits, ranging from pain relief and heart health to better sleep, cognition, stress reduction, improved self-esteem, social connection, and even gene level changes. Whether you're a couch potato or an active soul, young or elderly, yoga offers scalable benefits and can enrich your overall wellness. Let me know if you'd like sample routines or pose suggestions.